my dude. What's going on, guys? Back with another video. So as you can tell from that first clip, we're about to do a review build. So this is my boy Eric's truck. I want to say it's a 2014. He'll say it when he gets here, but it's a clean truck, super clean build. It's got some power up under the hood. He's running a setup that I didn't really too much care for till I really heard it in person. I know my boy Cam's running it. Didn't really care for it, but hearing his truck, that thing damn near sounds like a old 5.9, and I really like that. So but hey, when he gets here, whenever that may be, I'll start recording. But yeah, hey, I'm glad you guys are back. Hey, by the way, my social media is always down in the description, so please if you could drop a like, comment, subscribe, you know, shout your boy out, something, let me know how I'm doing, what you guys want to see on the channel. But yeah, we're gonna get after it. And of course, we're getting some crazy freaking wind right now. But my boy's about to come up the road, so let's see if I can hopefully this wind dies down so I can see if I can get a good clip of him rolling up. But yeah, it's definitely turning up out here. I got an old girl right there. Little industrial shots, taking some Instagram pictures. And these spacers, what do you guys think? 16 wides, 2-inch spacers, 3, 4. No, I couldn't do 4. 2 inches is probably about all I'd go. You know, 2 inches is a really good number in my book. So, yeah, I think we'll do 2 on there. But yeah, just wait for my boy to come down the road. Let's get this clip on. Oh, here he is. There's my boy. See what I mean? That thing sounds gnarly, dude. This thing is freaking clean. Yeah, super clean truck. All right, let's get into it, Eric.
Hey, so we're gonna do exterior stuff first. Let's see. So it's on a 8-inch, well actually 6 plus 2 BDS lift, Fox shocks, Pure Performance track bar in the front, PMF rear blocks, wheels and tires. I got 4G Auto 26 by 16s. Tires are 37, 14, 15 inches. Let's see here. Paint match bumpers, grill, some of the mirrors. We got Alpha Rex 5th gen style headlights. Just smoked fog lights with LEDs. We got the Boost Automotive mirror lights, the switchbacks.
That's what I need to get in mine.
The tails are just smoked out. Let's see. What else? I got emblem, I forget what it's called, emblem warehouse, tailgate emblem. Pretty much it for exterior.
All right.
So performance wise, I got a Smeding diesel 3rd gen manifold with S369 SXE. Let's see, I got just an eBay intake manifold. Tuning is by Race Me Ultra. I need to change that up, get you unique.
Same. I'm still running old H&S.
Yeah. Oh, I got the Striker steering stabilizer.
With the Bilsteins in there. I see you.
DB DB Automotive wheel lights, and just Amazon special.
Oh yeah, these are what people are gonna want right here, those lights. So I was skeptical about DB Automotive, but I mean, they look pretty freaking good. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about right here. This 3rd gen swap, to me it sounds almost like a damn near freaking 5.9. Like, this thing sounds freaking good. See what I mean? That thing sounds freaking good. This bitch gets down though. We took it cruising the other day and it definitely gets down. It scoots. Yeah, I know it's loud. He's got his fam in there, you know, got to keep that AC on. This Texas heat is not a joke. So just a recap. My boy's got paint matched all the way around. He's got some Alpha Rexes, striker, freaking steering stabilizers, 26 by 16 on 37 1450s, the 4Gs, of course. I think it was Boost Auto Parts, switchbacks. He's got some rock lights up under there. It is a 1-ton, so both of these trucks are actually the same. I got a 2012, he's got a 2015. 3500, so we all have Leafs in the rear. 68 RFE trans. It's got the wheel lights, mag high tech, freaking rear diff cover, truck's on bags. Different setup than what I'm running. I don't know. I mean, this is basically it, you know. It's a good looking truck though. That white is, I think it's PW7. That coat on it, I think definitely clean for sure. Got the clearance lights, all LED, just like my truck. Same old, same old. It's got the antenna mount up there as well. I like that. Very clean truck. Yeah, bro, but clean ass truck. So what kind of plans you got next for it?
Plans? I want to powder coat everything. I want to finish color matching like the mirrors and the lower front valance there.
Yeah.
Engine wise, I would like to do the full 2nd gen swap, delete and all that. I also want to build the trans, and I'll probably be pretty content there.
Same. Yeah, I want to do the 2nd gen swap on mine, but I'm loving that exhaust brake, bro.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know. I'll hold off for a little bit.
I heard you coming down off the off-ramp yesterday and it sounded good.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, those exhaust brakes hit hard, bro. But my boy's got that 4th gen, man. That Longhorn 6.7, that freaking whirly fab,
Yep.
and it is gnarly. Yeah, for sure, good looking truck, man. Good looking truck, bro. Hey, but that is gonna do it, guys. I really hope you guys like that truck. That thing is freaking gnarly, and I'm not just saying that because I got it in my video, whatever. I am not joking. Before I even met Eric, freaking, I heard his truck out here or whatever, and I was like, dang, that thing is clean. But he was on stocks back then or whatever. And I was like, man, that thing sounds good. And then we just kind of clicked or whatever, hit it off, and then freaking now we're doing videos. So that truck sounds really good. Hey, if you want to see more of his truck, I'm gonna leave his social media in the description. Go ahead and check him out. But hey, if you guys like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. I told you, I am coming back to YouTube. One more thing, but before we go, I'm telling you, man, you cannot beat these Texas skies. And I'm already past the golden hour. Had to show a girl for a little bit. But all right, peace. Yeah, dude, that thing sounds good, man. Yeah.